Essay on Ecosystem Restoration. Restoration ecology is the scientific study supporting the practice of ecological restoration, which is the practice of renewing and restoring degraded, damaged, or destroyed ecosystems and habitats in the environment by active human intervention and action. Effective restoration requires an explicit goal or policy, preferably an unambiguous one that is articulated, accepted, and codified. Restoration goals reflect societal choices from among competing policy priorities, but extracting such goals is typically contentious and politically challenging. Recently constructed wetland regeneration in Australia, on a site previously used for agriculture. Rehabilitation of a portion of Johnson Creek, to restore bioswale and flood control functions of the land which had long been converted to pasture for cow grazing. The horizontal logs can float, but are anchored by the posts. Just planted trees will eventually stabilize the soil. The fallen trees with roots jutting into the stream are intended to enhance wildlife habitat. The meandering of the stream is enhanced here by a factor of about 3 times, perhaps to its original course. Natural ecosystems provide ecosystem services in the form of resources such as food, fuel, and timber, the purification of air and water, the detoxification and decomposition of wastes, the regulation of climate, the regeneration of soil fertility, and the pollination of crops. These ecosystem processes have been estimated to be worth trillions of dollars annually. There is consensus in the scientific community that the current environmental degradation and destruction of many of the Earth's biota are taking place on a catastrophically short time scale. Scientists estimate that the current species extinction rate, or the rate of the Holocene extinction, is 1,000 to 10,000 times higher than the normal background rate. Habitat loss is the leading cause of both species extinctions and ecosystem service decline. 2 methods have been identified to slow the rate of species extinction and ecosystem service decline. They are the conservation of currently viable habitat and their restoration of degraded habitat. The commercial applications of ecological restoration have increased exponentially in recent years. Thanks you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.